model, 2011 Volkswagen Transporter T28 1.9 Tdi Swb engine knocking needs repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 165703. MOT, the 30th of May 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102 PSC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock, and you need replacing or repairing genuine one-owner van definitely worth fixing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after.